Here I have for you today a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line Tech. This is one of our top of the range models and it's recently arrived to our stock here at Crewe Volkswagen. We're very proud to be presenting this vehicle to you as part of our approved use program, and the vehicle is finished in the stunning deep black pearlescent paintwork, which I think you'll agree on this R-Line trim with the additional chrome looks absolutely the part. The upgraded 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels further enhance the overall look of the car, giving it that sporty airiness throughout the cabin as well. The privacy glass that is available with this vehicle also further enhanced the look with a rear sport spoiler, and this vehicle being approved used will come with a minimum of a 2-year warranty, 2-year roadside assistance and a 2-year MOT cover. The R-Line Tech will feature a power opening and closing tailgate as well, and this large boot space easily be able to accommodate up to 4 large suitcases, as well as a space saver spare wheel and a 60-40 split are available with the car as well. Rear passengers will benefit from a very comfortable cabin, and there's comfortable seating for 3 with a center armrest. The interior finish is in Vienna Leather, and the passengers at the back even get their own climate control system as well, and the overall look is enhanced by a full panoramic sunroof. The driver in the front will benefit from an upgraded cabin featuring a sports steering wheel, as well as the full Vienna Leather upholstery is an optional extra on this vehicle, and even comes with electrically adjustable seats with a memory function as well. The driver will benefit from a full digital virtual cockpit, and the driver's controls can be controlled through the multifunction steering wheel, displaying all the key information you would want at your fingertips. Additional information such as telephony, driving data and vehicle data can all be controlled, as well as display various active safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, as well as full satellite navigation can also be displayed on any journey. So you can really and truly personalize this display to your needs. The 8-inch infotainment touchscreen will have everything you would want as standard, such as AM, FM and DAB digital radio. Full media connectivity is available with the phone as well. A Bluetooth telephony system is available as well. Full satellite navigation and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all features in this vehicle. The 2-zone climate control will provide ample control for your passengers, and the winter pack heated front seats will warm you on any cold morning. The vehicle features a keyless entry and keyless start system, and a 4Motion 4-wheel drive system which can be controlled through the rotary dial to suit the journey for whatever's the weather, whatever you need and whatever style of drive you have as well. To help with parking, the vehicle comes with a full color reverse parking camera and front and rear sensors. If you'd like to know more about this new arrival to our dealership, please contact our sales team on 01270 50 70 50. Thank you.